back to my channel. It's your girl LTZ back today with another mukbang. First and foremost, happy mother flipping Friday in this thing. Happy Friday, y'all. It's finally Friday. We made it through the week. You know what I'm saying? It's finally the weekend, which means what? We can turn up, right? Right. But before we get into the video today, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And turn your post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. So today on the menu, we have cucumbers, sausage, rice, 2 times spicy noodles, and 3 eggs in the back. Now the eggs, your girl forgot about, so they exploded type stuff. But that's all right though, because it's still gonna get 8. And this right here is my homemade, do-it-yourself, Be-Love Smack-Delicious sauce. Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. Here we have cranberry juice. Why did I do this? I have no idea. I also have water on the side because, you know, your girl mouth is about to be on fire. And if you didn't know, I want y'all to see my shirt. Y'all see that? Extra like guac. It's cute. $5 below, $5. Anywho, so we're going to get to a prayer, a thumbnail, then we're going to dig on in. Hey, I don't know if I got a thumbnail, but it's going to be one somewhere in this video that I can get because that was a lot. So, y'all, it took me a long time to set up. Oh, the food is still hot. Good. The noodles were steaming. I'm not ready for that. My mouth is already watering because I know how hot it is. Like, I had to do one of those. All right, so what's first? What's first? We're just going to put that right there. We're not ready for you yet. Let's get a sausage. We should do that, huh? And dip it in the sauce. Dip it in the sauce. It has onions and all that good stuff in here. Look how hot. It's hot. Oh, it's hot. Ooh, mouth watering. Wow. Girl, that was the bomb.com. My gosh. So what I did, y'all, I made this sauce 2 days ago. I found it better to make the sauce and then let it marinate for a little bit, a day or two, because baby, once the seasoning is set, ooh-wee. Y'all missed the bite, so let's get into it like this right here. Oh my Lanta. Y'all remember people used to say that? Oh my Lanta. Goodness, this is good. It's a little spicy too, just like I like it. Yeah, a little rice. Dip that up in there like that. Like so, like that. I don't want to drip. Girl, when I say I did that, I did that one. I did that one. Look at that steam. You know what? Let's see if I can try some out. Don't that look better? Ooh, this bowl hot. Starting to shake. Ooh, this bowl hot. Okay, gotta put it down, gotta put it down, gotta put it down. Don't that look better? Yes, honey. Yes. Yes. I don't gotta do all that. Just break it down like that. Like so, like that. I know this light is bright. I do apologize. But for some reason, it's real dark in here today. So if I turn the light down, y'all not gonna be able to see the food. I need more sauce. I only made a little bit. I'm preparing myself. I know y'all waiting for me to eat these noodles. I know it. I know y'all are. All right, I'm gonna eat some of this egg, and then whoops, dropped it, and then we'll eat some noodles. Oh, this is a good one. I'm putting all this in my mouth. Y'all see that? That was good. Yeah, I promise. Sausage, cucumber, and rice. Whoever came up with this, you did the doggone thing, okay? Whoever was like, I wonder how it would be if I put cucumber, rice, and sausage together for a meal. Girl, let me tell you. It was probably one of your best ideas you ever had. I know it. Yes, Lord. And I don't know about y'all, but I like my sausage a little burnt, just a little bit. Got a little black on it. That one don't have it. A little black on it. Oh, yeah, baby, that's the best. All right, because I know y'all waiting for me to eat these funky little noodles. I really wanted some black bean, but I ate them all. So much for that. Ooh-wee. Ooh, I feel it already. All in my chest. I don't even want to, We gonna wipe this off my hand. I'm not licking it off. Oh. I'm gonna put that right there. All right, y'all. Here we go. Ooh, I should have put some cheese in it to tame the heat. It's gonna be hot. Cheers to the weekend. Let's go. I need one of them bowls that you can, out of, because this ain't it. Oh, no, it's already running. I know it's gonna be hot. Okay, y'all ready? Wow, I guess I'm not ready. All right, 1, 2, 3. I know some of y'all like, girl, if the noodles are hot, why you keep eating them? Girl, because that's my business. It's my business. Like so, like that. But now, they hot. It's gonna have you sweating a little bit. But they're really good though. Like no cap, bruh, no cap. I feel it in my chest. Whew. It's only really hot once you stop eating them. As long as you eating them and putting them in your mouth, you fine. Okay, you don't want me to have that one? Yeah, I promise it's so good though. Goodness gracious. Woo. All right, anyways, let's talk about something. What's up? What's goody? What's going on in the neighborhood? You hear me? Y'all know I ask y'all every Friday what y'all got planned. So, what y'all got planned for the weekend? That sounds fun. You taking your kids with you? Look hot. Oh no, you gonna leave the kids at home? Oh, okay. That sounds fun, girl. That sounds real fun. That's what's up. That's what's up. Me? Tomorrow, if you're in a DFW, listen. I'm going to Sorry Coffee Bar. It's a black-owned coffee bar. Excuse me, in Trinity Groves. And when I say it's better than Starbucks, if I'm lying, I'm flying. And I'm not flying. So, the coffee is so good. And the fact, hold on. Because that's a little hot. The fact that they have, God doggone me, alcohol infused coffees. Y'all know I drink, okay? If I wasn't eating these hot things, and if I didn't need to work out after work, this red cup would really serve its purpose. Because you know, once you walk around with a red cup, what's really in that cup? But this ain't nothing but cranberry juice. And then, last weekend, they started doing brunch. So now, they do brunch every weekend. And again, if you're in the Dallas area, you probably know who it is. Brunchaholics. It's who they, how do you say it? Do business with, collab with, or whatever. Brunchaholics, go over there on the weekends, brunch it up. You got your food, you got your coffee. Baby, you got the music, because they be having somebody on their piano playing the oldies. All the oldies and goodies. That was a hot bite. Woo! That was a hot one. I guess all the seasoning and the hot heatness were on those noodles. See, once I come across that one bite like that, I be done with them. Can't even do it no more. Woo! Baby. Y'all see the sweat? Oh. That's that bite I had to lean back. I need support. I need somebody on my back to hold me up. Because I'm gonna fall out. The more I stop eating them, and the more I start talking, somebody tell me to stop eating these things. Just because they're good, LaTericka, doesn't mean you need to eat them, okay? Stick with the black noodles, all right? When you editing this, because I can't say it correctly right now. When you doing that, make sure you pay attention to what you just said, okay? Don't eat these no more. I thought that was a good idea, huh? Next time you do this, black bean noodles. Okay, I just gotta relax. I just gotta calm down and relax. There we go. Just relax. Play it cool. You're good. It's all right. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. It's coming back. We're good. We're good. I'm gonna move that little noodle out the way. We're good. We're good. Something got stuck right there for a quick second. I'm all right now, though. So, does anybody want the other 2 packs of 2 times spicy noodles I got up in the kitchen? Because I'm done, okay? I know I said this last time. They're not even that high, y'all. I'm just playing. But nah, somebody come get up for real. Somebody come somebody come pick them bad boys up, okay? It ain't that hard. It's mental. It's mental. Huh? Am I gonna eat some more of it? No. Ooh, that lip got the shaking. I'm not. No. I'm not gonna eat it no more. I'm sorry. Can't even do it. Woo. Girl getting full though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That first egg I had, as soon as I was finished, like that, I got full. I don't know what it is. What is it, y'all? I can't have what I can't have. Rice fills you up fast, right? What else fills you up fast? Gotta be eggs. That has to be on the list. I know I'm not the only one. I know you lying. Girl, get that up your goddamn chin. Like, I don't even want to look at them. I'm not doing that no more. Like, it's good. But, man, that afterwards, whew. Girl, I was sweating for 10 minutes. Shoot. Did y'all see it? Okay, I can't eat no more. I was gonna try, but I can't. Y'all can have it. Y'all can have them noodles right there. I gotta keep my sauce. But y'all can have them noodles. That's for sure. But anyways, anywho. Ooh, let me get myself together. Baby, that was something, okay? That last bite got me, y'all. That last bite. Anyways. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't enjoy it, don't give me a thumbs down. Just move on to the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. All you gotta do is hit that red button. You can be subscribed, join the fam, you know what I'm saying? All my friends are here. I want you to be a part of that. So come on in. Come on. I was gonna start singing, but I changed my mind. So I'm gonna keep moving on time to time. Hey, you can tell it's Friday. That was bars. But anyways, what else is it? Turn your post notification bell so you be notified when I drop a video. Until next time, peace.